are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. So, of course, I've got another unboxing. And this just came in, so I wanted to scoot over here really quickly and get this recorded and out to you. Because it is another Trendmood box. And I did get this one. I don't always get all of them, but when I saw what this one had inside of it, I was really, really excited. So I do love this brand. So I'm going to unbox it and show you the goodies I got. And obviously, being the beginning of April, I do have my monthly giveaway going on right now, and I do have a couple other giveaways coming up, so make sure you subscribe so you can get the deets and the notifications on the stuff I've got coming. And actually, Jeannie and I, my dear friend, she's over at Unfiltered 50s. We've got a couple collab and joint giveaways coming up, so stay tuned. Okay, let's dive in. Now, if you're not familiar with Trendmood, I will link their channel down below. This is not a monthly subscription box, but it is definitely a beauty box. And every so often they come out with a new box, and some of them are takeover boxes where everything in the box is from a specific brand, and other boxes are a mixture of different products and brands. So you can get makeup, skincare, everything in these boxes. Now, I think the last one I got was the Good Molecules box, and Jeannie introduced me to that brand, and I absolutely love it. So I loved getting a whole box of goodies from them, and honestly, I actually just ordered some more Good Molecules things from Beautylish. But this box has got all first aid beauty stuff in it. Now, the other thing with this box is that there really isn't a set time that it comes out. But if you follow them on Instagram, that is the best way. Also, sign up on their website. They'll send you notifications of upcoming boxes. Now, these boxes do sell out really quickly. So definitely get your email on their notification list so that you can get notified and be one of the first ones to get in if there's a box that you want to get your hands on. And they range also in different prices. So depending on the products that come in them, it's always a good deal. I think this one, this First Aid Beauty one, I think it was $34. I'm not sure. But yeah, they've had Tatcha boxes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside when you open it up. And yeah, it is the new release, just launched, First Aid Beauty Firming Collagen Cream in this box. So that I was beyond excited to get my hands on. And everything is always full size, so that's another great thing with this box. If you grab one for yourself, they do include, obviously, all full-size products. And the first thing in this box are the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Now, I've gotten these before, and I actually really like them. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And I can honestly say, yes, they do. Okay, we also got the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab antioxidant boosters. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. And it is safe for sensitive skin. So, super excited to get this. This I have not tried before. I don't think so. I think that is a new one for me. And then look at this. I know. It is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And it's got 10% AHA and it's safe for sensitive skin also. That's what she looks like, and this is huge. I'm excited to try this. Again, this is another thing I have not tried before, so I'm looking forward to that. And next is Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration, Skin Protectant, Colloidal Oatmeal. Okay. It hydrates skin, temporary help relieve minor irritation and itching. Oh, it's good if you have eczema. So that's really cool. And last but not least is the Collagen Cream, which I was so excited to try. Again, it's the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. Okay. And safe for sensitive skin. There we go. So this I'm definitely going to open right now because I'm going to be using this immediately. Well, tonight. So yeah, okay. This is what that container looks like, and it's actually a really nice glass container. And ooh, look at it. I just got it on my nose. And that feels weird. Okay. It has absolutely no scent to it, which is fine. I kind of prefer that in skincare. This actually feels really nice. Oh yeah, I'm excited to try that. So yeah, hold on one second. Let me see if this box is sold out. Hold on. Okay, so I'm actually really glad I looked because one, it's $39, not $34, so I was wrong about that, but correcting you now. And actually, this did not sell out. So if this is something that you want to get your hands on and give it a try, these products are outstanding. I highly recommend it. Go, I don't have like a discount code or a special link or anything. It's just the regular Trendmood website, but definitely go shoot over there and scoop one of these up for yourself because there are still some available. So yeah, that's it. That's all the goodies that I got in this First Aid Beauty Trendmood box. And I am, again, really excited that I got these items. I'm excited to use them. And I have, as I mentioned, I have used First Aid Beauty products before and absolutely love them. So let me know your thoughts. Have you gotten a Trendmood box before? If so, which one did you get? Or have you gotten more than one? Because I have gotten a few of them, and they were all really good. But definitely let me know down in the comments. I want to know. And Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos and of course unboxings. And as I said earlier, if you would go smash that subscribe button, it does help me and my channel out so much, and I'd really appreciate it. That's it. Love you bunches. And I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.